Okay, so we're going to talk about your hint for this one. When we're looking at race car 1 and race car 2, and they're asking about the distance it traveled between 5 and 10 seconds. So first we're going to zone in to look about the distance it traveled between 5 and 10 seconds. And when I look right here, here's the time, 5 and 10. And at 5 seconds, the distance was 7 meters. At 10 seconds, the distance was 14 meters. So it traveled from 7 to 14. So if we wanted to know how far it traveled, we could actually say 14, take away 7, and we know that it traveled 7 meters, right? But let's see the distance 5 and 10 here. At 5, it was at, here's the 4, here's the 6, what falls in between 4 and 6? And at 10, it looks like, here's the 4, here's the 6, where was it? So it looks like if it originally was at 5, and then it was still at 5, its distance was, so which one's traveling faster? Can you tell?